So I put together a harvest salad that is kale, sweet potato, chickpeas, and of course the moon seeds. So if you just want to come a bit closer, I'm just going to show you all the ingredients and what it's going to look like. So kale, chopped kale. This is some quinoa and sweet potato and some shredded beets. And I already have like a little bit of sunflower in there. Chickpeas roasted, add that in. And then I keep my moon seeds in the mason jar to keep them fresh. And so just sprinkle these on top. And then add whatever dressing or protein that you want. And that's it.